Imagine gathering so massive, it's visible from space. Imagine an event so economically powerful, it can shift a nation's GDP. Imagine a spiritual experience that draws tens of millions. This is the Mahakumbh Mela, a once in 144 years phenomenon. And in 2025, it's back. From January 13 to February 26, Prayagraj will transform into the epicenter of faith, hosting the largest religious gathering on earth. One Stats dives deep into the mind-boggling numbers behind this mega event. A staggering 45 crore people are expected to attend this 45-day festival. That's more than the population of most countries. To accommodate this immense influx, a temporary city spanning 4,000 hectares has sprung up, including a massive tent city to house the pilgrims. But the Mahakumbh is more than just a spiritual event. It's an economic giant. Projected revenue, a staggering 2 lakh crore rupees. That's a significant boost. The colossal undertaking has a budget to match 7,500 crore allocated for infrastructure development, environmental conservation, and robust security measures. Let's see where this money goes and where it comes from. The average visitor spends between 5,000 and 10,000 rupees. This fuels a massive surge in various sectors. Food and beverages, 20,000 crore rupees. Religious items, another 20,000 crore. Hotels and guest houses, a whopping 40,000 crore, and tourism-related services, 10,000 crore. Comparing this to 2019 Kumbh Mela, we see a massive expansion. Larger areas, double the visitors, significantly higher government spending, and a projected revenue increase of almost 67%. This shows the growing scale and economic power of the Mahakumbh. The logistics are mind-boggling. 1.5 lakh toilets, 10,000 cleaners, 67,000 street lights. But such a massive event also faces challenges. The sheer scale of the Mahakumbh, while awe-inspiring, also presents immense logistical and safety challenges. During the auspicious occasion of Mauni Amavasya, a day of particular significance for ritual bathing, tragedy struck. Massive surge of pilgrims led to a stampede, resulting in a heartbreaking loss of lives. While official figures reported at least 30 deaths, some sources suggest the actual toll may be higher. This incident has raised serious questions about crowd management and safety protocols at such large-scale events. It highlights the delicate balance between facilitating religious expression and ensuring the safety and well-being of all attendees. Investigations are underway to determine the causes of the stampede and to implement measures to prevent similar tragedies in the future. This tragedy serves as a somber reminder of the human cost that accompany even the most sacred of gatherings and underscores the importance of continuous improvement in safety practices. The Mahakumbh Mela is a confluence of faith, economics, and logistics, a testament to India's scale and diversity, but also a reminder of the immense challenges involved. What are your thoughts on the Mela? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to One Stats for more insightful analysis of events shaping our world.